Happy Sunday Fun Day!
Get low when the whistle go.
Welcome to the vlog. It is Sunday, but it's not a Sunday Fun Day. It's actually a working Sunday. So we are going to go to either Menards or Lowe's or something like that. But we gotta prep a rental property. So we're gonna go there, figure out what we need to change, load some tools, make sure the family's in the car, and we're gonna go. So we'll see you here in a little bit. Are you ready for a Sunday work day? What are you eating? Ready for a Sunday work day?
I need drinking Spanish.
What does it say on your drink box?
And Spanish.
Honest kids. Are you an honest kid?
No,
No?
it says Spanish.
Looks like he's spraying it all over the back seat. Is he spraying it all over the back seat?
No.
All right.
Sweetie.
Ready for a Sunday work day? Not a Sunday fun day?
So excited.
And we're back. Okay, first things first. What are we going to repair in this house of ours? Okay, looking around. Light fixture 1 needs to be replaced. Light fixture 2 needs to be replaced. Ceiling fan 1 is gonna get swapped out. And then ceiling fan 2 is gonna get swapped out. Let's check out the bathroom. Okay. Let's see what we got going on in this bathroom. We are going to replace this, the toilet, that, the light fixture, maybe the mirror. Look at all the lights! Look at all the lights!
So bright.
So bright? Let's see. Oh, dude, they're so bright, you gotta wear your shades.
My sunglasses.
You probably left them at home. Hey guys, the floor's lava. The floor's lava. The floor's lava.
I can't.
Oh no, you better get up. The floor's lava. You're on fire. All right, you're safe. You're burning right now. Your legs are burning. All right, you're safe now. Let's see. And then we got 2 ceiling fans. What are you guys doing? We ready to go? We're ready to go. No! Scream. Look who's joining us! What's your name, sir? You know what today is? You know what today is? Hey, you know what today is, though? It's Sunday. What is it? Sunday. What is it?
Funny.
Sunday work day. What do you got in your? What do you got there? Butter popcorn. Nice of you to join us. Guess what we're going to eat?
That's annoying.
Guess what we're going to eat? Big John steak and onions. You want Big John's? You like Big John's?
I'd rather not do this right now. There are 13 steps putting up a ceiling fan. How long do you think it'll take Dad? See if you can do it in 13 minutes.
No, I can't.
Here you go. Fan blade.
Helping out Carter. Helping out Carter. Helping out Carter.
We can put this metal thing.
You want it in your bedroom? It's gold.
I love gold.
You love gold.
Yeah.
We could paint this actually and put it in your room.
Yeah. I'll paint mine.
Good thing. We'll put the kitchen one in your room, Lincoln.
Okay. And put it in my room?
Yep. So you better save all the holes.
Why wouldn't we put the new ones in their room and paint it and put it back in here? Is that what they do?
Here. Don't get the dust on you, dude. There's people's skin particles. Are you guys getting all the bolts?
No, I'm going in the car and leave.
Dude, I smell like BO.
These ones? I need the bolts.
Mindful of what you're doing.
I want
Here you go,
bolts.
bolt.
No, not give it.
Alright, fine, Kyra, be a little baby.
The ice storm begins.
I got the GoPro set up, and Laura's about to bring them out.
Wait. Oh, wait. Come right here. Right here, Carter. It's gotta be right here. Where is it at? Wait, look out. Ah! It's gotta be right here. Where is it at? Wait, look out.
Welcome to the ice world, guys. Are you guys excited to go to the ice world? Huh? Are you excited? Are you excited? Whoa! Boom! Look at that. Look how far it's leaning.
Hey man, this is my cousin
Crawl
Joe.
underneath it. Crawl underneath it. Go. 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 This one, crawl underneath it. Go, Gray. You can do it. Yeah. Yeah. Look at this thick piece. Look. Watch. Break this off. Look at that thick piece of ice. See that? Battle tanks. Here they go. They're gonna battle each other. Boom! Boom, 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 boom! Battle tanks! Oh my gosh! Look at that! Look at that tree fort! Whoa! We're in the Iceland of apple trees. You guys in the Iceland of apple trees? Come on! Look at this deer path. Let's go. There it goes.
Let's see it's one more.
Victorious! 3, 2, 1. Back up! Ready? 3. You gotta get this. Get close. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Close call.
Why are we shooting fireworks off in an ice storm, guys? Why are we doing that? Because it's fun. We're gonna shoot off this bottle rocket out into the ice factory. All right, you guys ready? Here we go. Watch out. Get out of the way, Carter. Gray. Wrong way.
Failed.
Later that night.
Hola!
Hola, muchachos and muchachos. We are doing a sushi challenge, and here is our contestants. Hey, it's 10 o'clock. What are you doing up? What do you got? Let me see. Show the camera. Ooh, flip it this way. Let me see. Sushi. All right, Carter. Here's your sushi. All right. Here we go. All right, we got the soy sauce. Dip it in.
Yeah, dip it. Take a
One
little
dip.
Where is this?
All right, and then take a bite.
Where is this one?
It's good.
Where is this one? Where is this one?
It's sushi. It's
All right, take one more
cheese,
bite.
Avocado.
Big
and
bite.
Fish.
Where's the rice?
Big bite.
Rice. It's sticky rice.
All right. It's not that bad. Dude, if you're going to waste it, I'm going to eat it.
Carter, take a.
All right, big bite, bro.
Do it.
All right, here we go. Here he goes, folks. All right, you guys are ready.
You ever had a dream that you could